Every journey begins with a purpose. With books in our hands and a passion to serve in our hearts, we set out on a mission to make a difference, one learner at a time. As participants of the Tarabasa program, we traveled not only to teach children how to read, but also to inspire confidence, nurture curiosity, and create a meaningful learning experiences. Each step we took brought us closer to young minds who are eager to learn. This is not just a journey to a destination. It is also a journey of service, learning, hope, and purpose. This is our Tarabasa story. Inside the classroom, the Tarabasa program comes to life. Through guided reading sessions, storytelling activities, and interactive exercises, learners are given the opportunities to improve their reading skills and comprehension. Every session is filled with patience, encouragement, and a shared commitment to helping each child learn and grow. Parents are also given the opportunity to learn through Nanay Tatay sessions, where they participate in guided reading and writing activities in a supportive learning environment. Step by step, they gain more confidence and become more involved in their children's learning journey. As the days goes by, small achievements begin to appear. Learners become more confident in reading, while parents become more active in supporting learning at home. These simple moments become meaningful signs of progress. Beyond teaching, the experiences becomes a learning journey for everyone involved. Through every interaction, we learn patience, understanding, and the value of working together towards a common goal. Behind every learner's progress is a community that chooses to care, parents who support, teachers who guide, and individuals who believe that every child deserves the opportunity to learn. But what makes this journey meaningful? To answer that, we turn to the voices of those who took part in this program.
Ayong ugto ma'am, salamat kaayo sa inyong oras ha sa interview ninyo na ang ko interview usa lang ka question. So, ang pangutana ani kay kana unsa man ka importante ang nanay tatay session sa mga gikanan.
Importante jud kayo ang mga papa sa pag-guide sa atong mga anak kay para bitaw naagid sila matak-on ba kay gikan sa ilang pagsugod gud kung hantod karon dapat kayo sa sila na kay improve ba nairay bitaw sa una nga gamay ra jud ilang gado karon na kuan na sila taas na ilang kuan ilang grade.
Para sa ako muno kanang nanay tatay session, salamat po magkanapin ang mga anak ng Tarabasa, ang ninyo sa disability. Kaysa compare na ko sa karon mga kung sa natula pa siya ng mga anak ng Tarabasa, na kung anak suwat sa ganyan siya ma'am, dili man din niya sa kanang linya, gano'n silang kapil, o kanang tatag pa siya madalag suwat mo ba? Pero compare karon ma'am, may siya mabasa, kamaon na siya sa mga words na atong ina pa siya sa una. Dayon, ano siya, basta hanan na siya mabasa, musulat, kanang mas na-learn siya karon mag-compare ato class nga kuan gani. Ikaw jud na to mo ka nga lambo gid ang ilang man karon ng ako din katabang ang Tarabasa sa trabaho Tarabasa.
Ako, importante kaayo pasalamat ko kay nakinukuhan na ako. Kung wala sila pwede sa Tarabasa, muna nila yung siguro nga great na dapat kaya ang itong pagkagyo na sila na ang muna di sila nabasa. Kung nandito kay kung naatid siya kay amisad, bisa nakatama mo ng mga pag-spela, makapagdino sa mga tabi na tutong pag-spela, amo po di-adapt po sa mga anak na mga mahal pagkatasan, pagkatasan sa balay, dali sa pilaan,
sa ako salamat sa ito na-appeal siya kay kana importante ba yung kayo ang pagbasa o kay kung ang ginhalan kay kung naman sila grade 2 ginhalan ka kumahon sila mo niya ang ako po nga naka isang Katuang ko ka na sa pag-eskwela, kita naka-graduate high school ka na. Simpisan, makatabang sila sa uban na wala ganit sila katuan. Ang ato sa kanang pagmuha sa tuwang kanang pag-eskwela ba, mariko sa gani. Kumara sa tuwang.
Sige, salamat kaayo sa inyong oras sa mga. Salamat kaayo.
In what ways has the program helped you as pre-service teacher?
First of all, I would like to say thank you for the Tarabasa program as well as the CNU Balamban faculties for giving us the opportunity to tutor some students that having a difficulties in reading. So, first of all, as a tutor or as a student, it is really a big help for us to improve our teaching styles, learning styles with the students in an actual classroom settings, and personally, it is really challenging at first, and as well as time goes by, it is really fulfilling as a tutor, as a student, teaching those students who are having trouble in reading, that we witness that they improve so much in reading as well as in their comprehension.
The program helped me develop teaching skills, patience, and confidence as a pre-service teaching.
What improvements in reading ability have been observed after the 20-day session?
So, after the 20-day session, I observed that some of my students, in the first day, some of my students barely recognize some alphabets and can even recognize simple letters. But after the 20-day session of Tarabasa, I have observed that they can now learn how to sing the alphabet wonderfully and able to recognize syllables and some words.
After that 20-day session, I saw that my learner made progress and became more confident, especially when reading the abacada and recognizing letter sound and using them in words.
After the 20-day session, I recognized that some of my learners had improved their reading fluency and better word recognition.
How do you plan to spend, or how did you spend your honoraria?
Ako yung plan dyan, first plan dyan ako is kanala dyan mo pala ko og laptop. Mabahala dili ko siya mahalon at least kay magamit mag siya sa eskwela. Samot na nga, biyaheng third year na mi or ako. Ako dyan ko nga ko na ang magamit dyan siya. Pero, if dili man dyan gani yung tagaan, dili man dyan gani matagaan or like na, dili man dyan gani siya madayon sa laptop, nasa ko yung mga collect, ipalitan ako og kaniyang bugas sa mua, or ipalit ako mga gamit sa eskwela sa mat na hindi ka back to school lang dito sa eskwelahan.
I plan to spend the money for my internship. I will most likely be spending it on medical requirements, internship uniform, and other things.
I will spend it for buying printer so that I can use it on my OJT.
Buying a printer and some materials that I'll be needing for the next school year.
How important is the nanay-tatay session for the parents?
So for me, it is very important for them because it gave them the opportunity to express themselves, especially na dili kayo sila vocal or expressive sa ilang balay. And then, it also helped them learn different parenting styles and reflect on it.
So, ang nanay-tatay session, importante din siya sa mga parents kay kabulong na sila kung unsaon nila pag-handle ang ilang anak dito sa ilaha. Whereas, katong wala pa sila ng impro sa Tarabasa, kay like, kung kanan sila like, sige pag-answer nila, bibi, mauna ni. Karang nga naka-impil na sila, sa kabulong na sila, inanong din dapat i-handle ang bata para mas makabalo, para mas maengganyoan, para mas mo-improve ang ilahang achievement or ang ilahang ganing pagkaganahan nga mo eskwela.
The Nanay-Tatay session is not only a learning opportunity for parents, but it is also a chance to strengthen their families. It reminds that their involvement, guidance, and support plays a vital role in supporting their children in both schools and in life. Thank you.
As our Tarabasa journey comes to an end, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to everyone who made this experience meaningful and successful. To our learners, thank you for your enthusiasm, determination, and willingness to learn. Watching your growth and progress has been one of the most rewarding parts of this journey. To the parents, teachers, and the SWD personnel and the entire South City Central School community, thank you for your support, trust, and cooperation throughout the program. Your encouragement helped create a positive learning environment where every child could learn and grow. Tara Basa may be ending, but the lessons learned, memories created, and the friendships built will always remain with us. May the love for reading continue to inspire every learner to dream, grow, and succeed. Thank you, South City Central School, for being part of this wonderful journey. Daghang salamat. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep dreaming.